Legends of Learning presents the Space Junk Hunt game. This is a science game that makes learning about electric and magnetic forces fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, control a spaceship and use electric and magnetic forces to collect debris and survive dangerous asteroid fields. To collect space debris, tap the spaceship or the switch button to switch your ship's polarity. Use the mouse to tap anywhere to rotate your ship's magnetic field. Avoid the asteroids and reach the final destination. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.